Hello guys, in this video we will see PostgreSQL cheat sheet with examples. I have divided into 6 types: connection, databases, schemas, tables and users. In users we have the granting permissions also. Then miscellaneous commands in PSQL. So first connect to PostgreSQL server. If you haven't installed PostgreSQL on Windows or Linux machines, then go through the link provided in the video description and install it. Okay. After installation, connect to PostgreSQL. Sudo su-postgres. This is on Linux. Then provide the password of PostgreSQL. Okay. Then give the PSQL. PSQL is the client tool. Okay. Now first step is we have to see the connection information by giving /con info. See, I have connected to database Postgres. This is the Postgres database and user is Postgres. See here, we have connected with Postgres user. Then first verify the version. By running the command, select version. You no need to worry about the commands. I will keep all the commands in the video description. PostgreSQL Server 16.2. Q to quit. Other command to check version is show version. It is show server underscore version. See, I have installed PostgreSQL 16 on Ubuntu machine. You can also get by catting pg underscore version. Okay. Then if you want to clear this screen, just give /exclamation, then type clear. See, or Control L. Okay. To find list of extensions, you have to give / and dx. See, I have only one extension. Extensions are specific to database, not the server level. If you want to quit, give the / and q. Again, if you want to connect, give the PSQL. Q to quit. The actual command is PSQL-u, then provide the username, then hostname. Hostname here is localhost-d. Then it is a database. Then we have to provide the password of user. Okay, we have successfully connected. Now to clear screen, use the Control L or /clear. To get the list of the databases, we have to give / and L. See, these are the list of the databases. Q to quit. The other command to get list of the databases is select dat name from pg underscore database. See, I have R2Schools database. Remaining 3 are the default databases comes with PostgreSQL installation. Control L to clear screen. Suppose, see, at present I have connected to Postgres. Whatever, if we create table, it will be stored in this Postgres database. But if you want to create database in this R2Schools, you have to switch by using command /c or /connect. Both are same. Okay. So simply give / and database name. Database name is R2Schools. See, now we have switched to R2Schools database. Again, if you want to verify the connection information, con info. See, I have connected to database R2Schools with the user Postgres. Control L to clear screen. If you want to see or if you want to verify the database, select current underscore database. See, I have connected to R2. Here also it is the same. So now we will see how to create database. Create database, then test. Put semicolon. Or else you can give the owner also. Owner James. Any existing user. Simply give the create database and provide the database. We have successfully created. Let us verify. See, new database successfully added. Suppose if you want to rename this database, just give alter database test rename to sales. See, it is success. Verify again. See, database test has been renamed to sales. Control L to clear screen. If you want to find the size of this R2Schools, just give select pg underscore database underscore size. Then in brackets, in single or double quotes, we have to give the database. It is sales. See, this is the size. Okay. Even you can replace this database name with some other. But if you give without quotes, it will throw error. Let me remove the quotes. See, it is throwing error. So Control L to clear screen. If you want to get all databases sizes, paste it, hit enter. See, database sizes are in descending order. Okay. Suppose if you want to drop a database, you have to use the command drop database after schools or sales. See, database has been dropped. You can verify the same. See, after schools database has been dropped. Section 3 is schemas. Okay, schemas are used to store the relative objects. So, verify list of the schemas. See, I have public schema. Every database have the public schema. To create schema, use the command create schema, then sales. Put semicolon. Now verify again /dn. See, new schema has been created. That is sales. Okay. The command starts with / are called as meta command. But to get schemas other than with this meta command is copy this one. See, these are all schemas in server level. Okay. If you want to check the current schema, select current underscore schema. Say current schema is public. If you create a table like create table S1 name varchar 100. See, if we create table, that table will be stored in this public schema. Let us see. Suppose udt. See, this table S1 that we have created stored in this public schema because the current schema is public. So to change it, we have to run the set search underscore path to sales. Now if we run the same create table, now it will be stored in sales schema. Verify again /dt. See, the table is stored in sales one. Okay. If you want to set both sales and public schema as current schemas, just give the same command set comma public. Put semicolon. Now verify again. See, sales is created in this one. So to create schema, in this case, to create table in sales schema, you have to give sales dot t2 snm enter. Put semicolon. Table is created. Verify. See, the table is created in sales schema. Okay. So to drop schema, you have to use Ctrl L to clear screen. Drop schema sales. See, it is saying cannot drop schema sales because the objects depend on it. So table S1 depends on it. So we have to use this cascade button. Okay, I'm going to use cascade. See, both tables dropped. Let us verify /dt. See, we don't have the tables. Even we don't have the schemas also. Okay, both the schemas are dropped. Control L to clear screen. Next section is tables. Okay, first to verify list of tables, we have to give /dt. See, these are the list of the tables in this database. We can also get the same information by running this select query against information underscore schema. See, these are this. Okay, see, only these are the user table. Control L to clear screen. So to create table, you have to give create table employee ename varchar 50 emp number int, put semicolon at the end of the step. So I missed out the comma. After each column definition, we have to give the comma. Okay, we have created a table. Let us verify again. /dt plus employee. See, this is the table information. If you want to get complete information, just give d plus then employee. See, we have two columns, ename and emp, and this is the data type. And these are the collection settings and constraints information. To add column to this table, we have to use the alter table employee add column cell int. Put semicolon at the end of the step. Now verify again. See, one more column added. The same way, if you want to drop column, you have to use the same alter table employee, then drop column cell. Now we will see how to insert the data into this table. Insert into table name is employee. Values, see, first one is varchar. So we have to give name, then employee number 100, salary 2000. put semicolon at the end of the statement and hit enter. See, one row inserted. Insert one more row, David 3000. Let us verify the data in this table. Select star from employee. See, we have two rows. If you want to get the size of this table, just give select pg underscore relation underscore size. Table name is employee. So put table name in singular double quotes. See, this is the table size. If you want to get the table path, you have to use this command. So you have to replace this table name with employee. See, this is the path. Control L to clear screen. We have two commands like delete and drop. Drop means completely deletes table from the database, but delete deletes based on the condition. If you don't provide condition, it will delete all the rows. Okay. So first we will try to delete. So command is delete from employee. If you don't provide condition, it will delete all the rows. But if you provide the condition, it will delete based on the matched rows. Okay, two rows deleted. Now verify. Select star from employee. See, no data is there, but table structure is there. But if you drop table employee, table structure and data will be deleted. So you must be careful to run this delete and drop. Now verify dt employee. See, there is no relation with the employee. Next is users. So first verify list of users. See, I have two users. And we can also verify the users by running the command select role name from pg underscore roles. See, I have these many rows. Okay. Control L to clear screen. Let us create a row. Create user Mike with password Mike at the rate. Now we run the /du meta command to verify. See, we have the Mike user. If you want to change the password of this James user, use the command alter user, then provide the username. Username is James with password James. See, alter all. It is success. If you want to grant privileges, you have to run the commands one by one. So first we have to grant connect on R2 schools to username. Username is James. I have to give the database flag also. See, this success. Grant. Next, we have to grant the usage on schema public to username. Username James. If you want to grant select or insert, then give the grant select, then give the update or delete. Okay. I'm only giving on all tables in schema public to James. Okay, this is way to grant the privileges. Next, if you want to see the list of the queries running, select dat name, username, state, query from pg underscore stat activity. See, there is only one user or session is running. See, this is the username. User has accessed the database name R2 schools. State is active and this is the query that we have run. Q to quit. Control L to clear screen. Okay. So last one is miscellaneous commands. Suppose if you want to see the previous command, give the /g. See, this is the command. And if you want to see the history of the commands executed, you have to give /s. See, these are the list of the commands. Okay. Press Q to quit. Okay. Next, if you want to edit the query, /e. Here we have to select the type of the editor. Okay. I'm going to I want to show you Control C to cancel. Control L to clear screen. Next, if you want to run the script /i, then query statement. If you want to save the output, you have to give the /undo. If you want to see the all configuration information, show all. See, these are the list of the configurations for PostgreSQL server. If you want to find the configuration file location, show config file. If you want to see the hba.conf file, show hba file. Okay. If you want to quit from this one, /q. If you want to restart, exit. If you want to check the status of the PostgreSQL server, sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL server is active and it is started 17 hours ago. Okay, Q2, press Q2, quit from this output. Okay, so if you want to stop or restart, you have to just replace restart. But in production, don't do this without proper approvals. Now verify. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. Okay, Q2 kit, Control L to clear screen. So the same actions can be performed in the PG You need to right click on particular database, then select the query tool. Then you can run the all the queries whatever we have run here. Okay, even if you want to create logins, you have to right click and you have to click on logins. Or if you want to create database, right click and you can do the same operations. In Windows also, open PSQL shell, PSQL, then hostname, your database name, port number, username, and provide the password of user. See, here we can perform all actions. Select version /con info. See, got the same. Okay. So in this video, we have seen PostgreSQL cheat sheet with examples. For more PostgreSQL server videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.